Hey guys, in this video, let's clean up the navbar a bit. I don't like this color, so I just want to change it to black. Just go to styles and add colors to the black. Yeah, so it's changed to black. And I don't want navbar to be displayed here. I want it to be my project's name. So just go to navbar and change this to the name of your project. I want it to be Let's Write. Alright, Let's Write. And here you see there's a drop down, there's a disabled one, there's a link and home. I don't want all these, I just want home. So remove everything else. Starts. This is the drop down, this is alright. Yep. And the search, we don't need the search for now, but just leave it as this. And home is here. What else do we need? Let me add a few more. And here it's current. I don't need this. Alright, just remove all those and remove this active. Active means you're currently in that link. So if you're not, let me show you. Here, so you're currently in this link, so this should be highlighted. You don't need all this highlighted. So just remove active from that. Alright. So next, let's change these names. What do we need here? We need a login, sign in, and a sign up. We can change the format later, but for now just leave it as sign in, sign up, and we need one to sign out when we sign in. So just comment it out. We can use it later. Alright guys, that's it for now. See you in the next video.